In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset on the Gen4 G5 family displays. When your display is powered on, go to the main menu, System, File Manager. Then you can click on the dark gray bar or the arrow pointing up to the dot. And here is where you can begin a factory reset. Before you click on Begin Factory Reset, please make sure that the user's data is backed up to their John Deere Operation Center or on a USB drive. Once the data is backed up, you may begin the factory reset. Click OK. Reboot. Then the display will power down and restart back up once the data has been wiped.